Okay, a box contains some 20 cent and 50 cent coins. I do not know exactly how many, the number of the coins, I do not know. Okay, the ratio of the number, I'm given a ratio, 20 cent coins to 50 cent coins was 4:3. So I know that I was given a ratio, and you know that ratio means units. So I can tell you that this is my 20 cents and this is my 50 cents. Okay. Then what happened when Alicia took out 5/8 of the 20 cent coins? She took out, there's a change here. This is a change. Okay, which means this is our before information, right? At first, then this is a change. What did she do? She took out 5/8, 5 units out of the 8 units of the 20 cent coins, right? So which means you can tell that I'm given a 20 cent coins information here. Okay, so this is a change. Then what happened? The total value of the remaining coins in the box was 144. So which means all this is another portion of it. The one that we do just now from the start, from here to here, is the first portion of the question. Okay, so from the first question, I realized that I am given the before, the change. I do not know what's my after. My after will be the remaining coins. You agree? This will be my after actually. The leftover will be my after, which is actually the remaining coins. My first task is to find out how many remaining coins are there. That's my first task. Okay, so let's do this. So one item changes. The girl Alicia took out 20 cent coins. So which means the 50 cent coins remains unchanged. So this is single unchanged concept. The first part lah, the green color part, the one that I box up. Okay, so this is single unchanged concept. So you can draw out the table. Okay, like this. Then we have our 20 cents, our 50 cents, our before, change, and after. And we know from here that my 20 cent coin change, my 50 cent coins unchanged. Okay, like this. Now let's look at the information given. The 20 cent coins, this portion. This portion, I want you to look at this portion first. 5/8. This is my 20 cent. 5 unit out of 8 unit of the 20 cent coins were removed. Okay, this is taken out. This is our before for my 20 cent coins. Okay, so if you look at the information here, the before is 8 units. If you look at the before given just now, it was 4 units. From there, you know something have to be done first. Okay, but let's just fill up first. Okay, here is 4 unit, 3 unit. Then I take out 5 unit of the 20 cent. But there is something you need to do first. Okay, remember this one, the 20 cent over here is 8 unit. This is not 8 unit yet. The 4 unit is not 8 unit yet. You do something first. Make it into 8 units first. Then only correct. Okay, if I times 2 here, then over here the same row must do the same, like this. Okay, then unchanged means this and this will be the same. So no change for my 50 cent coins. It remains the same from the before and after. I did not remove anything. The one that I removed is my 20 cent coins. Now let's look at my 20 cent coins column. Go down the column. 8 unit minus 5 units will give me 3 units. This after is my remaining coins, which is exactly what I want to look at here. Okay, the remaining coins value, this is value, this is value. However, this one is just the number of remaining coins. Two different things. Number means how many coins you have. You can count the number of coins. Value means how much money does these coins equate to. Different. Okay, what I want is what was the sum of money in the box at first. I want to know at first means I want to know the before information. Correct. Now you see the keywords here. The keywords is you have value, you have number, right? And also I'm given units. I'm given units in this question. I have units also. So if I have this kind of thing, I can apply the next concept for this question. Total value equals to number times value concept. Okay. This concept, if you can recall, I went through this concept a few times actually. Okay, if you can recall, if you cannot, it's okay. I'm going to repeat one more time. Let's just draw out another table. Okay, I cut it up into 3 columns. Okay, we have number, then we have value, we have total value, like this. We cut it up into 2 rows. This is my 20 cents and this is my 50 cents. And then number refers to the units. All right. And what units am I talking about? It's this one. It's this one. These units, I'm referring to these row units. That's why I put side by side so you can see. Okay. The value here, I'm going to change it to dollars. Easier, smaller. Okay. The total value will be back to units. Okay. Let's fill up. The number or the units of the 20-cent coins remaining is 3 units. The units of the 50-cent coins remaining is 6 units. The value of the 20 cent is, in dollars, it's 0.20, like that, right? In dollars, 50 cent is 0.50, like that. Total value, remember the concept is total value, number times value, number times value, number times value, number times value, equals to, okay? So if you press your calculator, this 0.20 times 3 is actually 0.60 units. This one will be 3 units. Now, if I want to find my total value, which is 144, which means we look at the total value column, this one and this one, plus together equals to $144. How many units is this? So what do? 3 unit plus 0.6 unit equals to 3.6 unit. Represent $144. From there, let's pluck it out. I'm going to rewrite to the next equation here. So 3.6 unit represent 144. 1 unit is 144 divided by 3.6 equals to, you're going to get 40. We are not happy with that. We want to find the information before. What is the before information? Go back to the before here. Look at this part here, which means I want this and I want this. Okay, right? So let's look at 8 units. This one will be 40 times 8, 320. This is for my 20-cent coins. Okay, then 6 unit is 40 times 6 equals to 240. This is my 50-cent coins. What are all these referring to? This is just the number of coins, not the value yet, not done yet. To find the value, okay, what do? We can simply times it back. Okay, so which means for my 20 cent, I have 320 times 0.20 equals to $64. Then my 50 cent is 240 of them times 0.50 equals to $120. So total amount of money that I have at first, 120 plus 64 equals to $184. Done.